Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we will see the how to construct a vernier scale. So in last video we have seen the construction of the diagonal scale and plane scale, and now we will see the construction of vernier scale. So this is the given problem. Construct a vernier scale of RF 1 divided by 50 and to read millimeter and long enough to measure 5 decimeter. Show the distance of 1.48 decimeter and 0.82 decimeter. So you could observe here, so whatever we have solved the diagonal or plane scale, and there we have to show the values in centimeter up to centimeter we have to show, and here we need to show the millimeter value also. Now we'll see it how to construct the vernier scale. So solution. So first we have to write the given data. So RF they gave 1 divided by 50 and they gave the length of the scale is 5 decimeter. So 5 decimeter is nothing but our actual length of scale. So actual length of scale is 5 decimeter, and we need to find the distance of 1.48 decimeter and 0.82 decimeter we have to show. So we have to show the distance of 1.48 decimeter and 0.82 decimeter. So now we need to find the length of the scale. So we have the formula RF is equal to length of drawing or scale divided by our actual length. So to find the length of the diagram or length of scale, whatever you can call, we have formula RF into actual length. RF they gave 50 and actual length is, so now actual length is our 5 decimeter. So 5 into to convert this into centimeter we need to multiply with 10, and to convert this centimeter into millimeter again we need to convert this into multiply this into 10. So it will come out 10 centimeter. Our length of drawing will be 10 centimeter. Now what we have to do is we need to draw the 10 centimeter line. So by using scale I will draw the 10 centimeter line here. So I will mark the 10 centimeter here. So now what I will do is I will first extend this to 1 centimeter vertical line. I will draw it here also 1 centimeter. So before this what we have to do is we have to divide this 10 centimeter line into 5 equal parts. So to make the 5 equal parts I am dividing this 10 centimeter line into 5 equal parts, means I will mark the each 2 centimeter. 10 divided by 5 will be 2 centimeter, no? Sorry, here. So I am marking. I have marked 5 equal parts. So now what I will do is, so you can mark by taking 2 centimeter, or otherwise you can draw the you can go through the inclination method also, which I have explained in our diagonal scale or vernier diagonal scale or plane scale. I have explained that method. You can also go using the inclination method also. For that we have to take the 10 centimeter line here and divide 5 equal parts 10 centimeter into the 5 equal parts is, again we need to take the 2 centimeter part, 2 centimeter we have to mark it, and we need to draw the parallel line like this. You can go through that method also. Whatever you feel easy you can go through that method. You can draw by using that method. Also you can simply mark the each 2 centimeter into 5 equal parts of the 10 centimeter. And again what I will do is, after marking the 2 centimeter, we have to draw the 1 centimeter, draw the vertical line and join it. This to both the ends we have to join. So now so whatever that we have marked, we have to join this line to here, trace these lines, mark it here carefully. Now you can see the 5 equal parts of 10 centimeter. Now this scale is in our decimeter, so we need to, now we should not think about the centimeter, because now we have to show the values in decimeter. No, this scale represents the decimeter values. Now this becomes our 5 decimeter scale. The value is in decimeter. So now give the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So our each part is equal to 1 decimeter. So our each part is equal to 1 decimeter. 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter, we have known. So now what we have to do is, this our 1 decimeter is equal to 2 centimeter. Now we have known that our here to here is equal to 1 decimeter. 1 decimeter is equal to how much centimeter? This is 2 centimeter. So 2 centimeter line is nothing but from here to your distance is 2 centimeter. And now what I'll do is, I'll draw the inclination of 2 centimeter and I will divide this 2 centimeter into the 10 equal parts. 10 equal parts means I will mark the each 2 mm to make the 10 equal parts, and I will join these to construct the lines from here to here. Our decimeters came to the centimeter. Now I will join this line to here like this, and this line to here. The similar way we have to join by drawing the lines very carefully. We have to draw it like this. Wait, here in this way we have to draw it. Now this is in centimeter. So now what we have to do is, again, so I will extend this line to the, how much this length? It's the same length, 2 mm. So I will extend. Wait. I will extend here to up to 2 mm. Like this I will extend. So now again I will 1 centimeter, I will draw the straight line here, vertical line of 1 centimeter. Here also 1 centimeter, vertical line of 1 centimeter. We join. So now what I will do is, again I need to cut this into the 10 equal parts. To show the millimeter value, I have to cut this into the 10 equal parts. For that again I am taking the inclination of 2 centimeter to cut this into the 10 equal parts. So I will divide this 2 centimeter into the 10 equal parts. Is nothing but I am marking the 2 mm. Again same here to, wait, 2 mm, 2 mm, 2 mm, 2 mm. Each 2 mm we have to mark. So we have to mark it here. So now what I'll do is, I will join this last point to this end point, and this point to this point. Here to here we have to trace it. to make the 10 equal parts of this. In the similar way we have to draw it. Now I will join this line to here. This will be, it comes here, it comes here, like this. I will draw it again to correctly. We have to very carefully, we need to join it. This will come here, this will come here. Now I will join this line to here. And this to here, this to here, this to here. We have to mark it. So now look, this is how it looks. Now this value, this is our main scale. This value from here to here shows the value, the scale of decimeter unit. This shows, and this is our main scale now, and this shows the value of our centimeter, and whatever now we are drawing, this gives the value of our vernier scale. So here our 1 decimeter. So 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter, no? And our 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. So according to this we have to draw the scale. So now this scale represents the value of our vernier scale. This is in mm, and this scale shows the value of centimeter, and this is our decimeter scale. And now here how we'll read? So I will give it to the name. So here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this is 10 centimeter. And here how we'll read this? We'll read 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when it comes to this, how we'll read 0, 11, 22, 30, 32, 33, sorry, not like that. 0, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. We'll read this vernier scale like that. In that way we have to read this. Here the scale is 11 centimeter, and this is our 10 centimeter. I have extended here 0.1 centimeter here, and this is our 11 centimeter. So 11 centimeter is equal to 110 mm. So if you multiply our 11 into 10, it becomes 110 mm. So this is in millimeter value. This shows the millimeter value. We have to write it here. 0 and 0, 11, 22, 33, 44. We have to write it here, and 66 and 88. In the similar way we have to write it all the values here. And now this is how we need to read the vernier scale. It has the multiplication of the 11 only. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, like that we have to read this. So now what we have to do is, so we have drawn the millimeter scale also. This scale represents our vernier scale, and this value is in mm. So now what we have to do is, so I will write it. So first I will show the how to wait. I will first write it here. So this value is in centimeter. this value is in centimeter, so you can write the RF value 1 divided by 50 here, and this value shows the value of decimeter. So value of decimeter it shows, you can write it here, it shows the decimeter value, and from here this shows the millimeter. So you can here, I will write it here, wait, millimeter. You have to write it millimeter. This shows the value of millimeter. And this scale shows the from here to here decimeter and here to here centimeter and from this millimeter. So now how to read this value? So in what happens in our diagonal scale, and wait, we have to mark the 0.48 decimeter and 0.82 decimeter here. So what happens in our diagonal scale and plane scale, we'll read the value. So our first here the 1 indicates the 1 meter and 4 indicates the 4 decimeter, and our 8 indicates the the value is in centimeter. So this is how we need to read the value. So when it comes to the vernier scale, we should not apply this concept here. So here how to read this means, we have to, for 1.48 we have to subtract with the last digit whatever it may be. Here we have the last subtract with the last digit, here we have the last digit 8, that's why we need to subtract with the 8 here, minus 0.88 we need to subtract in 1.48, we need to subtract 0.88. so if we do 1.48, so minus 0.88, 88 will be 0, and 14 minus 8 becomes 6, it will be 0, so answer will be 0.60. So this is our, this value stands in millimeter and this value stands in our centimeter. So for example, if our value is 0.82, so for this we have to subtract by using the last digit is 2, no, we need to subtract minus 0.22. so if your last digit is 3, then we need to subtract 0.33. so last digit may be anything, you have to subtract by using the last digit only. Here 2 is there, no, for that minus we have to subtract by using the minus 0.22. so 22 will be 0 here, 8 minus 2 will be 6, and again 0. so this value stands in millimeter and this value stands in centimeter. So in case of vernier scale, we have to apply this rule. So you may get they may give the any value. If they gave the value of 2.86, then we need to subtract this last digit, so 0.66 we have to do. So if the value is 2.85, then we need to subtract by using the 5, so 0.55, like this. In the similar way we have to subtract it, and our this value, the 0.88 stands for the mm. so for that we have to see the here, because here our vernier scale, it has the reading of 0, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 44 and 55, 77, 88, like that, no. For that we need to minus the whatever it may be last digit by using the last digit we have to subtract. And then how to read this, so I will show you. So 0.88 means here the value we need to say the, after find the value is 88, no. So 88 means where it comes, look, 0, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88. 88 means it comes here. So at this point, no, it comes here. And 0.60 means after 0 we have the value of 6, no. 6 means 6 centimeter. This value stands for centimeter. Centimeter means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means it comes here. So now we have to mark it, and for that we have to draw one arrow indication here, and here also one arrow indication like this. So this shows the our value of how much, 1.48 decimeter. So in the similar way we have to do for the 0.82 decimeter. For 0.82 we need to minus 0.22. So if you subtract 0.22 we got the value of 0.60. Here 0.22 stands for the millimeter unit, no, for 22. So again we have to read 0, 11, 22 means it comes here. So we have to draw here one vertical line and show the arrow indication. And for 0.60 means 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter means again it comes here. So this is nothing but our 0.82 decimeter. So this is how we need to read the value when it comes to the vernier scale. This is how we need to draw the vernier scale diagram. So it is quite difficult compared to the diagonal and plane. This is quite difficult. So in case of diagonal, so this is how we need to draw the vernier scale, and in case of diagonal scale and plane scale we usually use the for reading the value we use this method. So when it comes to the vernier scale we use this method. We have to subtract the last digit, it may be whatever. So we need to subtract that value in our whatever the value they gave, and then we need to mark the mm and centimeter. And for drawing of this again very simple. After finding the length we have to draw the line of on 10 centimeter line. Then we need to mark the divide this scale into the whatever the actual length they have given, make it into equal parts of that. So here they gave the 5, so that I have made the 5 equal part. Then I am taking the first part, I have to show this first part into the centimeter. No, for that I am dividing by taking this part into the 10 equal parts. This is from here to here. I know this is in 2 centimeter. For 2 centimeter to make the 10 equal parts of 10 equal parts of 2 centimeter, I have to mark the each 2 mm, and then I have to trace the line here. And before that if you want, for that we have to go for the inclination method. I have drawn the one inclination of 2 centimeter, and here I have marked the 0.22 mm, and I have drawn the lines, and again I have joined this to here. And later for vernier, when it comes to the vernier scale, I have extended this line to 0.2 mm, whatever the length of this division. So I have extended the 2 mm. This becomes from here to here is this is our 10 centimeter, it becomes our 11 centimeter. No, so to read our vernier scale readings, again I have to draw one inclination here. I have taken the 2 centimeter up here, and for that again I have drawn the 10 equal parts, and I have joined it, and I have read all the whatever the value they give here. In this way we have to draw the vernier scale. Here this is 0, 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4. Make it correct. So I hope you all are understood. So if you like the video, like it, share it, and subscribe for the more videos. Thank you for watching.